guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's jump right into this. First, I'm going to take Urban Decay Quick Fix Prep Priming Spray, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. I already have moisturizer on, by the way, and my brows and my eye primer. Next, taking my MAC Natural Radiance Primer, I'm just going to apply that all over my face, spreading it evenly with my fingers. For my foundation today, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in the color 3.5. I'm just going to dispense that on my cheeks and then blend it out with a beauty sponge. Next, taking the Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Light, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight all the areas that I usually highlight. So I'm going to do my under eye area and then on the sides of my nose as well. And as you can see, I left these areas blank because I found when you put extra concealer and things in those areas, it tends to crease and look all nasty in the corner of your nose. So I have been avoiding those areas. And I'm just going to continue with the rest of the highlighting of my face and blend it out with the opposite side of my beauty sponge. Now taking a little bit more of that concealer, I'm just going to apply it on the highest part of my cheekbones and blend it out once again. Now taking my Mercier Translucent powder, I'm going to go ahead and set all of these areas that I apply the concealer, and then take a very big brush and dust off the excess of the powder and apply it to the rest of my face. Now to start to color up my face, I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Palette. I'm going to take this shade just to go around the perimeter of my face, just to add some color, because you know you don't want your face looking so flat from the foundation. You need dimension. So I'm just going to go all around my face just to color myself up, and then to really contour, I'm going to use this shade right here and start to contour out my cheekbones and my forehead and my jawline and my nose as well. After all that nose contouring, I put some powder on the side of my nose and let it bake for about 5 minutes, and now I'm just dusting all of that extra powder off and moving on to my cheeks. So I'm going to add some color to my cheeks using my Mauve blush by NYX, and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks and start going in an angle upwards. And whatever's left over on the brush, I apply it to the tip of my nose. Just some thing I've been doing lately, just to add a little bit of color to the tip of my nose. I like the way it looks. Now taking my NYX Lingerie palette, I'm going to take this color right here and go all over my lid and up to my brows. Taking this shade, I'm going to apply that underneath my brows, just to use it as a highlight. And also I'm going to use it in the inner corner as well to open my eyes up a little bit. Taking this rusty sienna color, I'm going to use that to go on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to apply my lashes. I chose 307s by Miss Adoro to go on the outer corner of my eyelash, just to give me more of a cat eye appearance. To open my eyes up even more, I'm going to use a nude pencil. This one's by Rimmel, and I'm just going to line my waterline. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my favorite mascara, which is my Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. And I need a new bottle because I'm starting to run out. And I'm going to apply that to my lower lashes as well. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to use my Whisper of Gilt by MAC. And I'm going to highlight like crazy, starting with the tops of my cheekbones. With a smaller brush, I'm going to go ahead and still take Whisper of Gilt and apply it on the bottom portion of my brows to highlight my brow bone, my inner corners as well, and the tip of my nose. To set my face, I'm going to use my Mercier Badescu Facial Spray. This one has aloe, herbs, and rose water. So I'm going to set all of my face, and I like the way it smells, and the finish it gives me is just fantastic. Now to line my lips, I'm going to use my NYX Espresso Lip Liner, and I'm just going to outline at first the bottom portion of my lip and the top portion of my lip, but just in the center. I'm not going to do the entire lip just yet. Now this color right here is called Whipped Caviar, and this one's by NYX, and I'm going to apply that to my lips using a lip brush, and I'm going to blend it into that lip liner that I had already previously applied. Now to add some dimension to this lip, I'm going to go back in with that Espresso lip liner, and I'm just going to line the corners of my lips and continue to press my lips together so everything is blended. Kind of give me like an ombre effect where it's darker on the outer corners and then lighter in the middle. And I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. This look is perfect for an everyday winter look. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. As always, thank you for watching. Bye, babies.